Hello everyone and welcome back to TNV Academy. In this session, we will focus on one of the most crucial aspects of ISO 22716 Personnel and Hygiene. These guidelines are essential for maintaining the quality and safety of cosmetic products. Personnel play a key role in every stage of cosmetic production, from handling raw materials to packaging the final product, so ensuring their hygiene and proper training is critical. Importance of personnel in cosmetic manufacturing. In the cosmetics industry, the role of personnel cannot be overstated. Employees are directly involved in processes that can affect the safety, purity, and overall quality of the final product. Therefore, their actions must be guided by strict hygiene and operational procedures to prevent any contamination or defects. Hygiene practices for personnel. ISO 22716 lays down specific guidelines for ensuring that all personnel involved in manufacturing maintain the highest standards of personal hygiene. Let's break it down into key components. Personal cleanliness. Employees must follow strict personal hygiene practices to reduce the risk of contamination. This includes regular hand washing, especially after breaks or handling raw materials. Hair should be tied back and protective clothing such as gowns, gloves, and masks should be worn when necessary. Health monitoring. Personnel who are unwell or have infectious diseases should not be involved in the production processes. Health checks should be regularly conducted to ensure that employees are fit for work. Companies should have policies in place to manage such situations, ensuring that the risk of contamination from sick personnel is minimized. Protective clothing. Employees working in sensitive areas such as production, packaging, or raw materials handling must wear appropriate protective clothing. This clothing should be regularly cleaned, maintained, and stored to ensure that it remains free from contaminants. Additionally, the protective gear should be changed when moving between different areas of the facility, particularly between clean and non-clean areas. Training and awareness. Personnel should be well trained in good manufacturing practices (GMP) and understand the importance of hygiene in maintaining product quality. This includes proper handling of materials, the correct use of equipment, and the importance of cleanliness at all stages of production. Ongoing training ensures that employees stay updated on new techniques, regulations, and hygiene protocols. Preventing contamination through personal hygiene. Preventing contamination is one of the core objectives of the hygiene guidelines in ISO 22716. Contamination can occur in several ways, including through improper handling of raw materials, unclean equipment, or poor hygiene practices by personnel. To reduce the risk of contamination, employees should not wear personal items like jewelry or watches in production areas. Eating, drinking, and smoking should be restricted to designated areas away from the manufacturing floor. Personnel should follow specific protocols when entering clean areas, such as using foot baths or wearing designated footwear to prevent cross-contamination. In conclusion, maintaining proper hygiene and cleanliness among personnel is fundamental to ensuring the safety and quality of cosmetic products under ISO 22716. By adhering to these guidelines, businesses can significantly reduce the risk of contamination, improve operational efficiency, and produce products that meet the highest safety standards. Remember, a well-trained and hygienic workforce is a cornerstone of good manufacturing practices in the cosmetic industry. Thank you for tuning into this session on personal and hygiene in ISO 22716. Stay tuned for the next video. Also, in the next video, we are going to talk more about ISO 22716. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.